Hi, this is going to be a life reset. I just need to reset my life. I need to do things that make me feel like myself. Basically, I just need to do things that are on my to-do list that I have put off I just need to do things that are on my to-do list and check them off. For instance, today I scheduled a dentist appointment, but that has been on my to-do list and just been getting bumped down for months. I'm just getting my life together. And I started a book and there's a bee. I'm going to be fast. So I started a book and I actually finished it. The book that I read is The Silent Patient. It was a 10 out of 10. I would give it a very high rating because this book kept me captivated to the point of finishing it in a few days. Unexpected plot twist. I thought through every single scenario as I was reading, as each new character or storyline was being introduced. I was like, okay, this might be how it ends. This might be how it ends. But none of it was what I expected the plot twist to be. I've always had a running list of books that I want to read, and that list has been running because I haven't been reading. The library did not have any of the books that I went in looking for, but I did still get two this time. First book I got is The Seven Husbands of Elizabeth Hugo, and then the next book that I got is called The Coworker. I was originally looking for her popular book called The Housemaid because it's a whole series, so I wanted to read that one specifically first, but they did not have it, I assume because it is popular. Now I need to go to Target, so I need little storage containers to organize the things that I use on an everyday basis. Let's go to Target. So this is the state of the bins that I was talking about. Just like random stuff, hair stuff, makeup stuff, perfume, all the above. So we're gonna make this organized. So the first thing I'm gonna do is empty everything out and then wipe the bins down, and then I'll see what needs to go where. I made a couple different piles. This pile is stuff that I'll put in my memory box. This pile is miscellaneous. This pile is hair stuff. This pile is office desk stuff. This stuff is all my tech stuff and wires and my hard drive, and this stuff, beauty stuff, nail polishes, face masks, stuff like that. And then that pile, probably trash. See this? Very nice, very organized, very put together. This is how I organize my bins for now. Much more nice, much more put together, so I can finally check that off my list. And I'll see you guys whenever I film next. Another thing that I realized I had to do is be more consistent with exfoliating my face. So I have this exfoliating brush that I use. I need to use it more often. That way I can, I don't know, just keep up with my skincare routine. Another thing to get my life together is to relax at the beach. That's what I've been wanting to do for the whole summer. And would you believe it that it's the end of August and I'm just now doing that. But summer's still here, the sun's still out, so hi! Just wanted to end off the video. Do I feel like I've got my life together? I've gotten it together more than it was before. I checked off a handful of stuff, including taking out my braids and doing a new hairstyle. And I'll see you in my next video. And that's a wrap. Bye!